Good day, ma'am. We are Group 3 from BS Station 2B.
And we're representing utilitarianism.
The video begins by asking whatever Batman should kill the Joker. A question that has been debated by fans and philosophers alike. The video then introduced Batman's no-killing rule, which fundamental part of his character. The video suggests that this rule based on Kantian ethics, which is a moral theory that focuses on the intent behind actions rather than their consequences. Kantianism is a moral theory developed by Immanuel Kant, which based on the idea there are absolute and rule-based moral laws that apply to all rational beings. Kant's moral theory is deontological, which means
Batman's no-killing rule is compared to Kantianism as he tries to stick his moral rules regardless of their consequences. The video suggests that Batman's rule is based on the Kantian idea that it's always wrong to treat a person as a means to an end rather than as an end in themselves. By killing the Joker, Batman would be treating him as a means to an end rather than as a human being with its inherent worth. Utilitarianism. Utilitarianism is a moral theory that focuses on the consequences of actions. It is based on the idea that action should produce the greatest happiness or pleasure for the greatest number of people. The theory was developed by philosophers such as Jeremy Bentham and Joshua Stuart Mill.
Utilitarianism is a form of consequentialism, which means that it focuses on the consequences of actions rather than their intent. The theory is based on the principle of utility, which states that we should act always so as to produce the greatest good for the greatest number. Utilitarianism is often described as hedonistic. However, it is not egoistic, as it seeks to promote leisure and happiness for all, not just for an individual.
we should always so as to produce the greatest good for the greatest number. The principle is based on the idea that pleasure and happiness are the ultimate goals of moral action. The principle of utility is illustrated with a birthday restaurant choice example. In this example, the group is deciding between Chinese food and Thai food for a birthday dinner. The video suggests that choosing Chinese food would produce more overall happiness for the group as more people prefer Chinese food. Principle of utility. The principle of utility is the central idea of utilitarianism.
Criticism of utilitarianism. Utilitarianism has been criticized for a number of reasons. One of the main criticism is that it can lead to unethical actions such as sacrificing the few for the many. The video uses the example of Jim and the indigenous people to illustrate this point. In this example, utilitarianism seems to depend the taking of an innocent life in order to save a larger number of lives. Bernard Williams has criticized utilitarianism for the reason arguing that no moral theory should demand the taking of an innocent life. Williams argued that moral theories should respect the integrity of individual human being, and utilitarianism fails to do this.
The video uses the example of the surgeon and the neighbor to illustrate the difference between act and rule. Utilitarianism
In the example, the surgeon has a healthy kidney that could save the life of a neighbor, but the surgeon would have to break into the neighbor's house. Perform and surgery act utilitarianism will demand that the surgeon break into the neighbor house as would produce the greatest good for the greatest number. Rule, on the other hand, will not allow the surgeon to break into the neighbor house, as will violate the rule against breaking and entering.